Sander, this is the usual breakfast. Ano masasabi mo? What will you say?
Good.
Pero, now, nagawa ako ng tuyo. I love tuyo, but I'm tired of eating tuyo with the sinangagin cake. But I wanna try the pandesal with tuyo. So the tuyo sandwich. First, take out the skin.
Here.
Okay. This is what I do. So excited to taste it. It seems like very tasty. Some tuyo lang, okay na. Then, the cheese. Then, pwede rin just cheese in the tuyo and the mayonnaise. Pero for me, I wanna add a little bit of egg. And cover it like this. Press lang. Now, ito na. Look. Mukha siyang masarap. Then, try to mat. I love it. The saltiness, the cheesiness, and the creaminess. Saltiness of the tuyo, the creaminess of the mayo, the cheesiness, the cheese, plus the egg, the pandesal. Wow, it's so yummy. Subukan nyo sa bahay. Sarap. With my coffee. Sarap.